today's project, you will need a wire cutter and scissor. Included in your kit is a blue sheer wired ribbon, a red and white striped carnival, a tri-colored ribbon, a 10-inch and 12-inch ribbon board, bind wire, zip tie, and 2 chenille wires, 1 red hydrangea, 3 blue cornflowers, and 1 bundle of white peonies. Now let's get started on our project. Grab your bind wire and cut it in half so that it's about 2 inches long. You'll need 2 pieces. Next, take your 10-inch ribbon board, and we're going to take our red and white carnival ribbon. We'll unroll it and start with the tail at the top of the board. We're going to want your tail to be 20 inches long, so we're going to measure 10 inches and then another 10. We're going to wrap it around twice and in at the bottom of the board and pull your ribbon off to the side. Find the middle of the ribbon and pinch it in the center, and you can start to see the shape of your bow taking place. Next, grab your bind wire. It's about 2 inches long. Find the middle of your bow and twist it to secure the ribbon. Find the ends of your ribbon, fold it in half evenly, and take your scissor and cut it in a slant. This will create a nice V cut to the bottom of your ribbon. And repeat for the other side. Take your 12-inch ribbon board and your blue sheer wired ribbon, leave a 24-inch tail, and then repeat just like you did the carnival red ribbon. Now take your tri-color ribbon, unroll it, and find the middle of your 48-inch ribbon. This will be used as tails to your bow. Now take your green chenille wire that came in the kit and get your blue sheer bow, and we're going to start layering our bows. Now take the carnival stripe red ribbon and layer that on top of the blue sheer. Next, we'll take our chenille wire ribbon and we'll twist tie the 3 layers of ribbon together to make a beautiful bow. Making our floral bouquet. We have a red hydrangea and some blue cornflowers, and when we start with making our hand-tied bouquet, we put our red hydrangea first. We add our blue cornflowers that are about 3 inches taller. Then we add our white peonies. And then with the peonies, there's 3 different sizes, so you want to put the largest head towards the front. We're going to grab our zip tie, and where you had your hand with all the flower stems pinched together, that is where you're going to tie your zip tie. Now grab your wire cutter and cut the ends of your stems so that they are all even. And then also cut the remainder of your zip tie. Okay, now you have a beautiful floral bouquet, and we're going to be adding our ribbon bow. Take the 2 chenille wires, and all we're going to do is just twist tie it to the bouquet. The main feature, I think, is between the red hydrangea and the beautiful peony. Now we're going to grab our ivy wreath. It's 23 inches and it looks beautiful just as it is. But if we want to, we can find the ivy branches and start pulling them away from the main frame of the wreath. What this does is it makes the wreath look much fuller, it's more interesting, and it gives a lot of life to our wreath. As you turn your wreath over, you'll notice that there are 2 rings. There's an outer ring and an inner ring. I'm showing you this so that when you take your floral bouquet and you're going to attach it to your ivy wreath, you're going to take the chenille wire and you're going to twist tie it to the inner ring. Now that our bouquet is in place, it's time to concentrate on our ribbon treatment. One technique is to take the end of the blue wired ribbon and curl it all the way back up to the top. As you pull the inner ribbon out, it creates a beautiful spiral effect. A second technique that I love to use that's unexpected is the accordion effect. As you take your beautiful wired ribbon, fold it back and forth like an accordion. Remember to pinch your ribbon to create a crease. This adds interesting texture and movement to your ribbon. And here's the final product. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.